Hey everyone, I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV, giving you a closer look at the Elite Axle Block Kit for KTM and Husqvarna from Works Connection. All right, so for all you KTM and Husqvarna owners out there, we got a cool product coming in from Works Connection. This is the Elite Axle Block Kit, and what this does, it converts your axle from a fixed design into a floating design. And the purpose for that is they say that it's going to help increase your traction as well as your handling. And this is a setup that factory KTM and Husqvarna teams use, as well as a lot of other top riders. Now, just to give you a little bit better idea of what I mean by saying from a fixed to a floating design, is I've actually got a stock or an OEM axle right here for a KTM. So you notice that the drive side axle block is threaded onto the axle. That's why they call it a fixed design, because this does not come off. So by going to a floating design, which is what you're going to see on your Japanese bikes, well, that way your axle blocks will already be inside the swing arm, and then you push the axle through. Now the benefits and the reason that they say that's a better design and why those factory teams like to use it is because going to that floating design, they say, doesn't allow your axle to vibrate or move as much once you have it installed, and that's where you're going to get that performance, or excuse me, that increase in performance when it comes to traction as well as your handling. So it's a simple idea that's just going to help increase the performance on your bike. Now as far as how these are constructed, your axle blocks are going to be made from CNC 6061 billet aluminum, so super high quality, super lightweight, available in a few different colorways. And then your drive side receiver, so this is actually going to thread onto your axle when you install. I'll talk about that here in just a moment. It's not very difficult. This is actually made from titanium. And then this piece right here that you see to my right is actually a tool that's going to come included to help you get your stock axle block off. So when it comes to install, like I said, it's not going to be very difficult. No real specialty tools are required. A vise and a blowtorch will be a couple tools that will really help you out. But in any sense, all you're going to do is just going to remove the stock axle block on your axle that you have now. The reason that I say a torch is nice because this will have Loctite on it. So if you heat that up for a few seconds, that'll just help loosen that up, get it off a little bit easier. But once you have your stock axle block off, you're just going to thread on the drive side receiver that comes included, again made from titanium. Make sure you use Loctite on that as well when you're putting it on. But once you put it on, you're pretty much good to go. Then you're just going to install your axle blocks on your swing arm and then slide your axle through. Again, it's the exact same setup that you're going to see on Japanese bikes. So very simple to do. Now another cool feature that I like about these is that you do have these receiver posts. You can see right here on the outside. So these are actually going to be for calipers. So when it comes to your chain alignment, it's very crucial that your chain and your sprocket, everything's lined up correctly. So they have these caliper receiver posts here on the outside, so that way it just allows you to make it a little bit easier to measure the distance from your end of your swing arm to the actual chain blocks to make sure you're getting that exact measurement. And there they are. Those are the Elite Axle Block Kits coming from Works Connection. If you have any questions about these, leave your questions, your thoughts, your comments below. If you already have a set of these installed on your bike, well, leave your comments below. What do you like about it? Did you feel that increase in performance? Is it something you really noticed? That's going to help other riders out that are looking to pick up a set of these. To pick yours up, it is real simple. Just click on the link at the end of this video. Remember, orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this product spotlight, well, get subscribed to our YouTube channel. That way you stay up to date and in the loop on the latest gear guides, product reviews, and how-to videos that we're constantly filming. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.